and welcome back. Now in the meantime we've decided to come up with a new project, Project Quails. Now we'll get you started. We bought this Facebook marketplace, so as you can see it's a little house, has a nice little door on it and many exciting things inside. It's got a laying part here with a roof that opens up, and it has this little run on it, but we've decided that this is not quite adequate enough and we want to make a bigger one. So stick around and we'll make it and show you how it's done. Right, welcome back. We have built our structure. I'll take you through it a little bit. This is the frame. We've still yet to add the wire, but we'll do that shortly. We've added our gate, a secure, strong gate. Just unhinge that bit there, out there, and look at that. Easy access, so when we need to clean them out, feed them, collect the eggs, all that kind of stuff we can do. And yeah, we're going to add the wire in, get everything inside, get it all set up, ready for the quails. Actually, we'll talk about these. We've got some new chickens. I'll show you them. We've got some more white stars and some other ones that are different colours, which are blackstones, apparently. But we're up to 12 chickens now, and we're getting about 10 to 12 eggs every day. They're really good layers, so good stuff. Right, now we're adding the wire, the aviary wire, all the way around it to secure it, make sure nothing can get in or the quails can't get out. So yeah, watch and learn. We're using zip ties to attach these together so there's no gaps. As you can see, they can make a bit of a gap, so a couple of these all the way down, it keeps it nice and secure. We have finished putting the wiring on now. Now we're going to move on to the roof. But let's take a quick look around it. As you can see, it's nice and secure. You can see through it fine, no issues with that. And yeah, got there in the end. Took a minute, but here we are, and moving on to the roof, and then the enclosure's done.